Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the French 75. Ooh la la. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Gin, I have here Bombay Sapphire. Champagne, I have here Barefoot. Simple syrup, and a lemon. 4 items. It's still time, let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a champagne flute, a juice squeezer, a knife, and a jigger. First step, grab your lemon, roll the lemon. From here, we're going to cut the lemon in half. Set your lemons aside. Grab your juice squeezer. Take half a lemon. Set it like this. We will be squeezing half a lemon into the shaker. Grab your simple syrup. We will be squeezing 2 dashes of simple syrup into the shaker. Now it's gin time, so grab your bottle. Open the bottle. We will be pouring 1 ounce of gin into the shaker. Add ice. Close the lid. And give your drink a nice shake. From here, pour your drink into the glass. We're going to grab our champagne. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to top off our champagne to here. I'll give you about 2 ounces. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you measuring it so you can see where to stop. Yeah, just about right there. 2 ounces. And the last step is to garnish. This is actually optional. And there you go, my friends, a French 75. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.